Hello dears, how are you today? I hope you're feeling fine. And I hope you enjoyed the previous lessons. We have a new lesson today. Lesson 14, letter N. Letter N. And I'm going to tell you a very nice story. Look, this is Nina. Nina is a nurse. Nurse. She's a pretty nurse, and she works at the hospital. The nurse is very happy. Nurse, look, the nurse likes nuts. Nuts. Nurse likes nuts. I like nuts too. Nuts. Nuts. But the nurse is very nice. Look, she's very pretty and nice. The nurse is very nice. The nurse lives in a new house. In the garden, there is a little bird. Look at the little bird. The bird has a nest. 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 The bird is in the nest. And the bird is very happy in the nest. Oh, look, eggs are in the nest. Nest. Look, the bird is in the nest and the nest is in the garden. It's on the tree. And this is Nina's house. It's morning. The nurse goes to the hospital. So the nurse goes to the hospital. And the bird is hungry. So the bird goes to find some food. So the bird is flying. Look at the nurse. Oh, look. The nurse goes to the hospital and nurse has a notebook. Notebook. The nurse has a notebook. And the nurse goes to the hospital. And look at the bird. The bird is flying, but the bird can see a nut tree. Nut tree. Oh, bird is very happy. Nuts. Nuts. Bird likes nuts. So the bird goes down because the bird likes nuts. So the bird takes some nuts and flew away. The bird likes nuts. Nuts. Oh, look. It's night. Night. And the moon is in the sky. It's night. Night. And the nurse goes back home. It's time to go home. The nurse goes back home. It's night. So, it's night, but the weather is windy. Ooh. Windy. It's windy. Ooh. The wind is blowing strong. Oh, suddenly the nest falls down. Oh, the nest falls down from the tree. It's windy. And the bird, oh look, the bird is very sad and says, oh, my nest, my nest. But at that time, the nurse comes back home and says, little bird, why are you sad? The little bird says, my nest falls down. So the nurse, the pretty nurse, helps the bird. The nurse helps the bird and put the nest on the tree. Now the bird is very happy. The nest is on the tree. The little bird says, thank you, pretty nurse. You're so nice and kind. Thank you, pretty nurse. So the bird and the nurse are very happy. Oh, it's night and it's time to sleep. So the nurse, it's night and it's time to sleep. The nurse, sleepy. The nurse is sleepy. And the nurse has a notebook. Notebook is on the bed. And nurse likes nuts. Nuts. And look outside the window. Look, a nut tree. And a nest is on the tree. And the bird is in the nest. So, the nest, nuts, nurse, night, and notebook. What sound can you hear? I hear sound But do you know which letter makes n sound? It's letter N. N. This is letter N. N. This is capital N, and this is small n. N. And the sound is n. N. N is n. 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 Nest. Nest. Look, the bird has a nest. Nest. N is n. 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 Nest. So my dears, bring your pencils and let's write letter N together. Let's start capital N. Go down, one line down, another line down, and go over. This is capital N. Again, go down, another line down, and go up. This is capital N. Let's write small n. One small line down, another line with a round. Go round and down. This is small n. Again, go down, go round and down. This is small n. So capital N and small n, the sound is n. N. My dears, we have some words that start with letter N. N is n. 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 Nurse. Nurse. The nurse is very nice. Nice. The nurse is very nice. Nurse and the doctor work at the hospital. Hospital. The nurse is in the hospital. N is n. 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 Nest. 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 Like eggs are in the nest. Nest. The bird has a nest. Little birds are in the nest. Nest. N is n. 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 Nut. Nut. I like to drink nut. Nut is delicious. Nut. Nut. N is n. 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 Night. Night. Look, the moon is in the sky and I sleep at night. It's night. Night. N is n. 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 Notebook. Notebook. I have notebook. The girl is writing on the notebook. Notebook. So my dears, let's review. Do you remember how the letter N looks like? This is capital N and this is small n. And the sound is n. N. N is n. So my dears, look at this boy. The boy has a net. Net. The boy has a net. The boy likes to catch butterflies. Look, pretty butterflies. Butterflies. The boy likes to catch butterflies. But the boy likes to catch butterflies with letter N. N. Look at the butterflies. The butterflies are flying. Oh, look, this butterfly has letter N. So it goes to the net. Oh, look at this butterfly. This letter M. No. Another butterfly. Look, this is small N. So this butterfly goes to the net. This is letter L. Ooh. No, we don't want letter L. Oh, like butterfly with letter N. This butterfly goes to the net. Like this is letter M. No, we don't want letter M. So now the boy has butterflies with letter N, and the boy is very happy. So my dears, let's review the words. Like a train. Train of letter N. Letter N, train, and says Like, let's review the words. This is nest. Nest. And this is nurse. Nurse. Nurse is very nice. Nuts. Nuts. I like to eat nuts. Oh, it's night. Night. I sleep at night. So my dears, this is letter N. This is capital N, and this is small n, and the sound is n. I hope you enjoyed, my dears. Goodbye. Thank you.